Skin is skinning. Skin is skinning. Skin is skinning. Yeah. It's because I clean my sunglasses, but look how pretty it is outside. Because on my sunglasses, I don't know, maybe it like heightens the look of these flowers, but Snyder Park. How pretty the water is, guys. So you know, like, secret spot. Definitely the Amazon. There's stuff to eat there.
For chefs. And you see like the decent beaches. Look at my whole walkway.
The plants and wildlife here have evolved together for thousands.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Shut up. I like how it's not common for you to put a cucumber and radish and all that in there, but guys, good night. I'm out here looking at these planes pass by. I live right by the airport, so yeah. I just wanted to say happy Father's Day to all the dads that are out here doing their thing. Without you, parenthood would not also be possible. So happy Father's Day to all the dads who show up and show off for their kids. Happy Father's Day to the dads who show up for the kids who aren't their kids. Happy Father's Day to the nurturers, to the people who are involved in their kids' lives. I applaud you, and you're needed, you're loved, you're appreciated. And yeah, I'm actually out here having a little conversation with my dad. My dad he ain't here, but rest in peace, Frank. But I'm out here just having a little with my daddy. But anyway, today was a pretty good day. I had a good time with my cousin. It's so good to connect with the people that you love and the people that you can be yourself with. Get a daily dose or a weekend dose of adventure. That's just me, but I'm gonna end the vlog here today with just saying, continue to love yourself, continue to grow, continue to character build, continue to do you. And if you're along this journey with me, appreciate you. You are a real one. And guess what? Time is of the essence. More content to come.